Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, be sure to turn off the power to your dishwasher before beginning. To replace the door handle, your first step is to open the dishwasher door and remove the screws securing the outer door panel. With the screws removed, pull the panel down, then lift it up and out. Next, remove the screws securing the control panel. Pull the panel off. Release the door switch wires from the retaining clip and remove the screws securing the switch. Lift the switch out of the door latch, then pull the door latch tabs back to release the assembly. Detach the old door handle. Install the new door handle by aligning it on the latch assembly and snapping it into place. Realign the latch assembly on the control panel and snap it into position. Insert the door switch in the assembly and replace the screw. Secure the switch wires under the retaining clip. Realign the control panel and replace the screws to secure. Reinstall the outer door panel by first aligning it on the hinges. Then slide the panel up and reinstall the screws in the inner panel to secure. You're now ready to restore power to the dishwasher and confirm that it's working properly.